Kenya Power plans to complete the hiring process for managing director in the next 3 months. The company says the shortlisting process is currently ongoing, where the qualified candidate will be announced by the board. This comes after the utility firm appointed Geoffrey Waswa as the new acting managing director, sending Rosemary Oduor back to her previous position as the general manager for commercial services and sales. Oduor has been the acting MD since August last year. Here are the details of that story and more.
Amid an ongoing process to recruit a substantive managing director, Kenya Power has issued a notice to shareholders involving them in management changes. The firm says it has appointed Geoffrey Waswa Muli as the new acting managing director to replace Rosemary Oduor, who held the position in a similar capacity. It is said that Rosemary will return to her previous role as the general manager, commercial services and sales, after returning to the office after her annual leave. Meanwhile, the Tourism Fund is seeking 1.9 billion shillings to complete the construction of the Ronald Ngala Utalii College and Hotel in Kilifi County, which started in the year 2010. The project was to be completed in the year 2018 at a cost of 4.9 billion shillings, but the cost has been rising as it faces delays. Construction of the Ronald Ngala Utalii College has stalled due to delays in disbursement of funds to contractors and the high cost of construction materials.
We've meant to understand that money was actually released. It was released in December. So our question and our concern is, why has this money not been released to TF so that this project can actually be fast-tracked and completed on time?
The phase one that we are intending to complete by August will require about 1.9 billion Kenya shillings, because we have certificates from the contractors which must be honored, and also from the consultants who are supervising this work. And after completing that, there will be a requirement of a further 2.1 billion shillings to complete the rest of the project, which has not been done. By the time we really complete it, in the next 1 or 2 years, it should cost us about 10 to 11 billion Kenya shillings.
Elsewhere, UAP Old Mutual Group is rebranding to Old Mutual in phases for its regional operations. Old Mutual Kenya CEO Arthur Oginga says East Africa is growing as a regional investment and business hub.
This new dawn heralds the bringing together of 3 great brands, Old Mutual, UAP, Faulu, under one consolidated structure. This will drive our strategy around integrated financial services and make it much easier and seamless for our customers.
After Kenya, the firm plans to rebrand in Uganda, South Sudan and Tanzania in phases that will be completed in 2023.
Branding ourselves Old Mutual in Kenya puts our reputation on the line in terms of our commitment to this market and our wish to make a long-term meaningful impact in the market in Kenya and to add value to Kenyan consumers over time.
Reporting for Prime Edition, I am Teresa Mutai.